am I doing now? I'm gonna click record and then do it again. Hello, I'm going to show you how to create these soft waves. Okay, so I've got my hair straightener here. I'm using Cloud 9 today. I'm putting the setting on at 150. The reason being is because the waves will get too bouncy and I just want it to be quite loose and free. Before I blow waved my hair, I've used a leave-in treatment that's also going to protect my hair with heat, and then prepped my hair with Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, which also has heat protector in it, but also great for shine. So now I'm brushing my hair because I want to get all the tangles out. So this is my hair pretty much a few days into sleeping on it and so forth. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to section out my hair. I'm going to try and do this in as few steps as possible. I've got my sectioning clip. I part through the middle most of the time, and I'm going to continue that parting back to my neck. I'm really glad I'm filming during peak hour. I'm going to start on my left-hand side. I'll clip this out of the way so I don't have to think about it for now. Okay, so this is my first section here. It's really similar to the twisty blow wave, however, this one's a lot easier. I'm going to start with sections that aren't too big for the straightener because otherwise it'll just start falling out. Sectioning into here, one twist, and pull through. If you want to leave the ends out for a more modern look, you can do that as well. And let it out. Going in again, this section here, twisting it around and then pulling it through. And then you continue that all the way up. Sectioning horizontally. One of the reasons I like to leave the heat on a lower temperature is to protect my coloured hair, and also so that my waves aren't too bouncy. I like them to be quite loose and soft. So for this front section here, I'm just going to make sure I just do it nice and loose. Don't want to hold the straightener in there too long. Okay, and now I'm ready for the next side. Dividing that in two, keeping my hair straightener on more of a vertical and slightly tilted, twisting her out, and then pulling through, starting at the front, and then I'll work my way back. If I find it's gotten too bouncy around the root, grab my hands and I stretch it out a little bit while it's warm. Excellent, so I've got this section here, it's about 2 inches wide and away from the face, pulling that through. Okay, so this side is definitely my favorite at the moment, but it is my strong side, so I'm not too worried. I'm gonna brush this one through so it doesn't get too curly while it's still setting. And then I'm gonna use my hands on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna mess it up a little bit, just so that I have something that looks a little bit more natural. You can spray that into place if you want. I love this look because it's a little bit more textured, it's a little bit more fun. So there are some simple ways of creating some really soft waves in your hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, but make sure you keep the temperature low. Enjoy. Bye.